Hey guys, this is Sarah from Price Attack HQ. I'm here today to show you how to do braids, just like if you're wanting to change up your look or refresh your style. So here we go. First up, I'm going to use the Lorenzo Elements Sandstorm. Just rub that in to get it all nice and even. So first of all, you just start just above the ear, and you grab 3 pieces of hair. Just start with a plait, and this one you're grabbing the hair from the hair closest to the forehead and you're just bringing it back. Integrating it into the plait. You can do these loose for like a quite undone look, or you can do them tight if you want a more structured look as well. Just secure the end with a band to hold the braid in place, and that's pretty much the look. Good to go. As you can see, they're pretty straightforward, but practice makes perfect, so just keep practicing and you'll get there. If you need any advice, head in store to one of our experts.